Love that no one said out loud. Some love stories do not begin with a confession. They do not begin with a kiss, a promise, or a big romantic moment. Instead, they begin quietly. Two people talk a little more than usual. They remember small things about each other. They notice when something feels wrong, even before anyone says a word. Little by little, one person becomes important to the other, and the feeling grows in a way that is soft but real. At first, nothing seems special. From the outside, it may look like friendship or maybe just simple closeness. But inside that silence, something deeper is already starting. One message can make the day feel lighter. One kind question can stay in the heart for hours. A quiet moment together can mean more than a long conversation with anyone else. That is what makes this kind of love so beautiful and so difficult. Nothing is clearly said, yet everything begins to matter. The feelings grow without permission, and the heart slowly understands something the mind is still trying to explain. This is the story we are exploring today. It is not a loud love story, it is a quiet one. A story about love that did not arrive through big words, but through presence, care, and silence. And maybe that is why it became so hard to ignore. It began with small things. It often begins in ways that do not look important at first. There is no dramatic scene and no clear turning point. Maybe they simply start talking more often. Maybe one person asks, "Oh, did you get home safely?" "Oh." And the other person remembers that question longer than expected. Maybe they begin to notice little things, like how the other sounds when tired, what kind of day they are having, or when something feels wrong behind a normal smile. These small moments begin to repeat. A short message becomes a daily habit. A simple conversation becomes the best part of the day. They start sharing things that seem ordinary. But slowly those ordinary things become meaningful. One person remembers the other's favorite drink, a small fear, a passing comment, or a dream they mentioned only once. That kind of attention feels gentle, and it also feels rare. Nothing loud has happened, but the connection is growing. The comfort becomes deeper. The silence feels easier. The care becomes more natural. Without planning it, they begin to take a quiet place in each other's lives. That is how some love stories begin, not with grand words, but with small acts of presence. Day by day, the heart becomes attached to someone who simply keeps showing up. And before either person fully understands what is happening, the feeling is already there, growing softly in the background like something alive. Silence became full of meaning. After some time, the silence between them begins to change. It no longer feels empty or ordinary. Instead, it starts to feel warm, safe, and full of meaning. They do not always need long conversations. Sometimes sitting together, walking side by side, or sharing a quiet pause feels enough. The strange thing is that nothing special seems to happen, yet the heart feels more and more. They begin to understand each other in small, quiet ways. One look can say, "I know you are tired." One pause can say, "Awa, I am here." So even without many words, they can feel what the other person is carrying. That kind of closeness is hard to explain because it does not come from dramatic romance. It comes from attention, patience, and the feeling of being truly seen. This is where the love becomes deeper, even if nobody calls it love. Silence stops being simple. It becomes emotional. It begins to hold care, comfort, and quiet hope. They may still act normal. They may still tell themselves that nothing has changed. But deep inside, something has already shifted. That is why this kind of connection can be so powerful. It grows in places where words are missing. It becomes stronger through moments that seem small from the outside, but feel very large inside the heart. And maybe that is what makes silent love so unforgettable. It does not ask for attention. Yet it slowly becomes one of the most important feelings in a person's life. They loved quietly without naming it. As the feeling grows, their care becomes more visible. Even if they still do not speak about it, they remember the little things that others forget. They notice a change in mood, a tired voice, or a sad silence. They ask small questions, but those questions carry real warmth. Did you eat? Are you okay? Have you been sleeping well? These are simple words, yet they begin to mean much more. That is how quiet love often shows itself. It does not always appear in romantic speeches or big actions. Sometimes it lives in attention. It lives in patience. It lives in the habit of choosing one person again and again in small daily ways. They may not say, "Awo, I love you." No, but they keep showing up. They keep caring. They keep making space for each other. The strange part is that both people may feel this, but still avoid naming it. Maybe they are afraid of changing something beautiful. Maybe they think silence is safer. So the love continues to grow without a label, and that makes it both tender and painful. By now, the connection is no longer just comfort. It carries quiet devotion. It carries the feeling that this person matters in a deeper way. And even if no clear confession has happened, the heart already knows that something important is here. Why they stayed silent. If the feeling was so real, why did they stay silent? That is often the most painful question in stories like this. Sometimes people stay quiet not because they feel nothing, but because they feel too much. When a connection becomes important, the risk also becomes greater. Speaking honestly may bring two people closer, but it may also change everything. And for some hearts, that possibility feels too frightening. One reason is fear. A person may worry that if they speak the truth, the bond will become awkward or break completely. They may think, "Oh, what if I say too much and lose this person?" So they choose silence, hoping that keeping the connection is better than risking it. The problem is that silence protects the relationship on the outside, but often hurts the heart on the inside. Sometimes the timing is also wrong. One person may not be ready. One may still be healing from the past, or carrying too many things in life. The feeling may be there, but life may not have enough space for it. In other cases, both people may be waiting for the other to speak first. Each one hopes, each one guesses, and each one stays quiet. That is how silence becomes a kind of safety. It allows the connection to continue, but it also keeps love from growing freely. They remain close but never clear. They feel deeply but never fully choose the truth. And in the end, the silence that once felt beautiful slowly begins to carry fear, uncertainty, and the weight of everything that was never said. The pain of love that was never spoken. After a while, the silence that once felt gentle can start to hurt. At the beginning, it seemed beautiful because everything was quiet, soft, and safe. But when feelings become deeper, silence no longer feels harmless. It begins to feel heavy. The heart wants clarity, but the relationship still gives only hints, pauses, and unfinished moments. This is where the pain begins. One person may start waiting more than before. A message that comes late feels different. A short reply can create sadness. A small distance is noticed immediately. Because nothing has been spoken clearly, nothing can be asked clearly either. The heart is full of feeling, but it has no simple way to speak. That is what makes unspoken love so difficult. There may be no confession, no promise, and no real breakup. Yet the pain can still feel like heartbreak. If one person slowly pulls away, the other is left with silence and questions. Did they feel the same? Did they know? Was the love real, or was it only hope? Sometimes what hurts most is not what happened, but what never happened. No truth was spoken, no answer was given, and because of that, the story remains open inside the heart. It becomes a love that was real in feeling but unfinished in life. That is why silent love can stay so long in memory. It does not end with a clear goodbye. It fades quietly, and the heart keeps listening for words that never came. Maybe that is why some quiet love stories stay with us for so long. They do not begin loudly, and they do not always end clearly, but they still leave something deep inside the heart. Even without a confession, the feeling was real. Even without a promise, the care was real. And even without a clear ending, the love still mattered. Not every love story needs big words to be meaningful. Some people change us through small moments, gentle attention, and silent understanding. They may never become ours in a full and official way, yet they still become part of our emotional world. They teach us how deeply we can feel, how softly love can grow, and how much silence can carry. That is why this kind of love is both beautiful and painful. It gives warmth, but it also leaves questions. It brings comfort, but it may never bring certainty. Still, that does not make it less real. Some of the deepest feelings in life are the ones that were never fully spoken. So if you have ever loved someone in silence, your story was not small. Your feelings were not foolish. Maybe the love never became a relationship, but it still touched your heart in a real way. And perhaps that is the truth we carry at the end of this story. Not every unforgettable love is loud. Some love grows quietly, stays unspoken, and still becomes one of the deepest things we ever feel.